Hello Savvy VIPs and welcome back to another episode of Be Kitchen Savvy with Claudia. Today I will show you how to flawlessly remove the skin as well as the surrounding excess fat from a whole chicken. To begin this prep, you are going to want 2 clean, dish-free sinks, one for the contaminated utensils for the after cleaning and one for the whole chicken itself. Watch as I begin on the front of the chicken by pinching together some of its skin so that I'm able to easily puncture and glide under the skin with a knife. After making a slight opening, I'm able to cut up and open the skin so that I'm looking at the bare breast of the chicken, as you see in the video. Now remove the rest of the skin by carefully pulling the skin off, starting at the top of the breast on either side, following a natural pattern, almost like taking off a coat, as you see me doing in the video. Side note, I don't think you want chicken juice in your face. Yuck! So, using one hand, tightly hold the chicken and using the other, closely pull the chicken towards or away from you. Wow, that's it? Yes, no mess and no stress. Just a 2-step process and you're good to go. To make it a more healthy choice, the next step is to remove the surrounding excess fat. Some of the white fat may be a bit tasking to remove with just your hands. Therefore, you'll occasionally see me removing it with a knife. Also on the chicken, you'll find that there's a thin, clear, slippery layer of fascia that I like to remove, thinking it's fat, but it may not be that or necessary to remove it. Removing the neck is optional. It can also be used for flavor in soups or vegetable sides, or you can just leave it on there like it is. There you go. You're all set with your skin-free chicken and ready to continue on with your plans for cooking. I would love to know what you are planning to make with your skin-free chicken. Leave your comments below the video, and if this video answered any part of your questions or curiosity, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Stay tuned and see how to clean and sterilize your sink after handling raw meat with me in the next video. See you in the next video.